Good morning, world. Sunny day out here. Time to put in some work. I already installed one of these bad boys. My buddy Javier. Let's get to it. So in the video, I didn't finish installing it all the way, but this bolt had sheared off. And now it's fixed again. So I installed it right now, off camera. Nice and sturdy, nice and hard. And pull the whole entire truck really with it. And yeah, this is actually a really quick install. Really easy. I actually love the way it looks. You know, recovery opportunity and whatnot. It looks badass with this bumper. Here, show you the whole thing. So yeah, that's it. Rough country tow hook option. The red tow hooks I bought myself, but Rough Country does offer an option to buy tow hooks, which is great for anyone that needs that. And yeah.